This poem is about the rainforests on decimation and destruction, and is appropriate to today's green issues. It's called Chainsaw Massacre. Tree after tree is falling, falling, falling. Deadwood, redwood, rainforest calling. Biwakakakia. Ancient songsters and calling monkeys. Plants of abundance so plentiful sprawling. Trees of abandon. Chop, 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 chopped. Square miles of bald patches. Forest grey ditches. Like a ragged rabid dog scratching fleas at the earth. With great caterpillars disease mechanical. The epidermis of the earth's soiled skin. Dermatitis scarring the rainforests. Every scratching pest and flea, with mechanized caterpillars creating stumps, replacing every tree. The head might think better than the trunk, but the trunk has all the vital organs for breathing, cleansing the system and ridding of polluting wastes. The trunk of a tree is as important as the head. Without it, the head will starve of oxygen and go mad and die. Brrr, brrr. Chainsaw action, green issues, Greenpeace moves, chain reaction. Massacre down your nerve endings, fray the balance of life. Massacre down the trees standing, play the roulette wheel and the spinning dice. Clear a patch of ground, build forests in your head. Confuse the soul with soulless, lifeless, mundaneness, sameness. Wooden top, pudding top, scaling down your foraging ways, ruling out your hell-bent days, as spirit dies by the fading light of nature that lit it there. Wooden top, wooden top, wooden. Wouldn't you, couldn't you stop?